Aubrey Plaza is an American actress, comedian, producer, and writer known for her distinctive deadpan humor, intensity, and versatile performance in both comedy and drama. The biggest headline 8 March 2026 is that Aubrey Plaza is expecting her first child with partner Abbott. A representative for Plaza confirmed the news to People magazine. The baby is due in fall 2026, described by a source as a beautiful surprise after an emotional year. As of 2026, upcoming projects include voice roles in the animated films The Ark and the Aardvark and The Animal Friends, as well as Honey Don't, The Heidi Felice Story, and others. She continues to balance comedy, drama, and producing. Plaza received nominations for a Primetime Emmy and a Golden Globe Award for her role in the second season of the HBO anthology series The White Lotus. Time magazine named her one of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2023. Film career Plaza had her leading film role in Safety Not Granted. She later produced and starred in the 2017 black comedy films The Little Hours and Ingrid Goes West, and also starred in Happiest Session in Black Bear. In 2008, Plaza went to Los Angeles and landed 3 roles in 1 week, supporting role in Funny People and Scott Pilgrim vs. the World, and a role in the main cast of the TV comedy Parks and Recreation. The show, a workplace mockumentary set in a fictional small town, lasted 7 seasons and received many awards and accolades. Plaza herself received several nominations for her portrayal of the deadpan and unpredictable college-aged intern April Ludgate, who was a perennial fan favorite. She enrolled at an improv school in Philadelphia and in 2001 attended New York Film Academy summer camp for filmmaking. Plaza studied film and television production at the New York University Tisch School of the Arts, graduating in 2016.